Welcome everyone on our weekly program Knowledge Manthan, which is conducted by Department of Engineering, Arkajan University, Jharkhand. Here we discuss and share the knowledge to each other. Today's speaker is Mr. Kuldeep Saw, who is Assistant Professor of Arkajan University, and today he will discuss on the topic of magnetic abrasive finishing. Kuldeep sir, please proceed.
So the history of magnetic abrasive finishing are initially this process is developed as in US in 1930s and it was patented. This process magnetic abrasive finishing was patented in 1940. University research in the Soviet Union, Bulgaria, Germany, Poland and US began in 1960s with practical uses appearing within 1980s and late 20th century. The growth of the semiconductors, aerospace parts, and optical industries have resulted in continued development of better methods for attaining high form accuracy and surface finishing. So we can see the history of magnetic abrasive finishing as the development in technology, some electronic parts and some aerospace parts. It has been developed. So in this era, the requirement of highly surface finished parts has been increased, and the researcher uh, need to develop some ultra finishing or super finishing process which can produce a part with highly surface finished objects, which can give highly surface finished surfaces. So working principle of magnetic abrasive finishing. So magnetic abrasive finishing is a homogeneous mixture of magnetic particles and abrasive particles with a magnetic field to impart a machining force on a workpiece. So generally we know that the general surface finishing operations are simple grinding operation, polishing operation, hunning operation to give better surface finish. And we consider grinding operation as primary surface finishing operation. But when we need highly surface finished objects or surface, then we need to develop some other technique that can develop a very good surface finish. So in this field, this magnetic abrasive finishing plays an important role, and it can develop a highly polished and surface finished object. So relative motion between the particle mixture and the workpiece surface results in material removal. Since magnetic abrasive finishing does not require direct contact with the tool, the particles can be introduced into areas which are hard to reach by conventional technique. So when we will see the working of this abrasive magnetic abrasive finishing, so we can see internal parts also can be polished by this process, or any surface which is not exactly round, if any oval surface or some elliptical cross section areas objects we have to machine, we have to finish, then magnetic abrasive finishing is the unique and the most important process we can choose to provide the highly surface finished surfaces. Since magnetic abrasive finishing does not require direct contact, so we can use this process where the parts or surface which is unable to reach within our uh, that means the parts which we have to machine which is not a exposed surface, internal surface also can be machined by magnetic abrasive finishing process.